Okay, we can start now. Uh, Now tell me what are the problems we can discuss you are facing issues in solving. Let First we can discuss that. How many problems you are facing issues when you are going to solve? Let me start with that dynamics. Just a minute, I can note it down, or else I'll forget. Yeah, from uh, dynamics.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Problem sheet 3, sir. Question number 6.
1 minute.
Actually, sir, you have done it, but I wanted to try it with the radius of curvature, but I could not complete the calculation. Like it
Okay,
is
okay.
messed up.
Just a minute. Let me check. In dynamics, it is kinematics or kinetics.
Sir, problem sheet 3, sir.
Okay, so it is kinematics. Problem sheet three. Okay, I can do one thing. I can share the screen. This one.
Yes, sir. Question number 6, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Hi.
Question is I did on that day, but
Yes, sir. I wanted to try it with the radius of curvature formula, sir. 1 plus dy dx whole square 3 by 2 upon d2 y dx2.
okay. So 1 by rho equal to d2y dx square by 1 plus dy dx whole square power 3 by 2. Okay, just a minute. This is problem sheet 3, number 6. So you want to use the formula? Tell me once again. 1 by rho.
Sir, 1 by rho equals to d2y dx2 upon 1 plus dy dx square whole to the power 3 by 2.
Correct. Equal to the power 3 by 2. But here what it is told, let me check. You want to calculate based on this formula rho value.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have dy dt dx dt d2x dt2 dy dt2.
But how from that dy dx you will get?
Sir, dy dx equal to dy dt upon dx dt.
Yes, yes. You can go. So dy dx equal to dy dt upon dt dx. Yes,
Sir, it comes out to be like minus 3 by 4 after putting value.
dy dx or this one rho value.
Yes, sir.
So using that formula, rho value we are getting how much?
Sir, uh, like my sir, my calculation, I think it is mistaken inside the calculation. So why I asked you.
Okay. Actually, what I understand that if I follow this formula, the problem will be more complicated. Okay, it will be lengthy. You can solve this, no issue. But initially, I thought that you are talking about whether rate of change of rho with respect to time, that is possible or not? I thought that
Yes, sir.
question.
If it is possible, sir, d rho upon dt.
No, on that we have discussed. No, this is not possible. Why not possible? For the given data, it is not possible because we got this way relationship. In that case, AT was rho dot V by rho plus V theta double dot. There we have told that AT we know, V we know, rho we know, this also known, but this is unknown. Alpha, sometimes no angular accelerations. That's why we are not able to solve this rho dot. Not possible. And what we did to solve this, basically we have calculated on that day some an value. It has come just 0.05 meter per second square. That we have related to this v square by rho, and v was velocity, tangential velocity. It was 0.25 square by rho, and then from this we have calculated rho equal to 1.25 meter, and we have shown that this AT was some value minus 9 point, oh sorry, minus 0.9 meter per second square. That one we got this way. Can you recall that solutions? How we
Yes, sir.
did
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yeah, but what the way you are talking about, no? Yes, that approach can be taken, but one by row that formula will be maybe it looks like it may be more complicated to solve this problem
Yes, sir. The
because
calculation is being messed up like inside.
yes, oh, because here y equal to function of x, that is not given. You not it? Y equal to if it is y equal to function of x, then only dy dx you can calculate, is not it? Dy dx, from her you are getting dy dx.
Sir, dx dt is 1 by 5 and dy dt minus 3 by 20.
On dy, oh, you mean to say dy dt?
dy
Actually,
dt, sir.
you told this way, dy dt and dt dx.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you want to write this way, whatever value you got. Okay, okay, that value, yes, possible. Then del square y del x square d of dx of,
Sir, ddx of that thing, sir, dy dt upon dx dt into dt upon dt. Like,
so d of dt dy here dy dx. You want to say this one,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. That can be like that.
but problem is, do you know this function?
Sir, sir, that's dy dx that we are getting from the previous part. dy
No, this is,
dt into dt
you are getting
dx.
some particular value you are getting, correct?
Yes, sir.
You are getting some value based on what? For you are getting some value for certain conditions. But if you put that value here, so derivative will be zero.
Yes, sir.
It is not the case. Understood? Why it is not the case? Because that value you want to put, you do this. Say like here, with some value here. But that derivative you have to perform. For that one, we need y equal to function of x, that expression. That is not given. That's why we are not following this expression. Got it?
Okay, sir.
This
I got it.
problem we are getting issues because you're right, that formula will be used in near future. Which department you are?
Sir, I am from civil.
Okay, civil. Your name?
Sir, Moharnab Kundu.
Oh, Mohan Kundu. Yes. So what is happening? That this will be used widely in any of the civil structure, mechanical, aerospace structure. Okay. But this problem, we are not using that one due to that issue. As I told, function is not given. Any other problems you want to discuss for kinematics? Anybody?
No, sir, it's dynamics is clear.
Yeah. Then kinetics. Kinetics
For
will, yeah,
problem sheet 11, sir, question number 5.
11.5. This one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Just I should write 11.5. Okay. I will give I'll give you solution. Before that, any other problems? Let me check how many problems we are having. Any other problems from dynamics? Anybody can say. Any problems from dynamics? Let me check the attendance. 46. Okay, I understood. No problem. So let's start that one. This one. 11 by 6. What is told that in a test of resistance of motion in an oil bath, a small steel ball is this, of mass m is released from rest. So initially v was 0, v0 was 0, say, at y equal to 0. Okay, so here released from rest, if the resistance to motions is given by r equal to kv, r equal to kv, k is the constant, derive the expression for the depth h that is required, function of something required to have velocity v equal to v, or final velocity. So this is v1 and it is v2 equal to v. It is 5 by 11 by 5. Now to solve this problem, we have to draw the basically free body diagram here. This is the vertical axis. So this is x, this is y, or somebody can have x, y here also, no issue. This is x or this is y. So here its self weight mg is acting like this, and the resistance r equal to kv, k is a constant, v is the velocity. Okay, and as it has started y equal to 0, we can expect movement will be these directions. Then we could have, as per the D'Alembert's principle, so I can write here, it is a, this is ma is acting in reverse directions as the inertia force, reverse force. So summation fy equal to 0 will give minus mg plus kv plus ma equal to 0. Minus mg plus kv plus mv will be 0 in vertical directions. That means we can write here acceleration A, this one.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yeah.
here R is
Your voice is not clear. 1 second, tell me.
sir, here R is force.
R equal to
R.
capital R,
R
huh?
is force here, sir. Resistive force.
Resistive force, yes. The resistance to motion is given by R. If this is the motion, this direction, so resistance will be these directions.
Okay, sir.
R is the resistance force, yes. So A equal to or AMA equal to kV minus kV plus mg, or A equal to G minus k by m multiplied by v. We will write A equal to, here we will utilize the expression that v dv equal to A dy. This expression we will use. Now for this expression v dv equal to A dy, or maybe v dv by A equal to dy. Now v dv by g minus k by mv equal to dy. If you do the integrations here, velocity 0 to v, okay, and this is 0 to height is h, some height equal to h, and you can, if you do the integrations carefully, it will be h equal to m square by k square g. This is basically ln. What it is been written, it is ln logarithm with respect to e, ln or log e 1 by 1 plus kb, sorry, 1 minus kb by mg minus mv by k. That answer you will get. Next problem. Any other problems do you are having? Is it okay now? R is the resistance due
Yes,
to,
sir.
actually due to viscosity. This is basically due to viscosity, this resistance. Okay, mainly due to viscosity.
So problem
Because,
six.
yeah, problem
Problem six.
this one.
Yes, sir.
I have not solved this before. No, I have not solved this before. Correct? I cannot recall actually. Have
Yes.
I solved this problem before?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So it is a good question. One system is released from rest in the position shown here. Calculate the tension T in the cord and the acceleration A. So you have to calculate T acceleration A of the 30 kg block. This one. M1 is 30 kg. And if you consider this one, this is M2. M2 equal to 15 kg. There is a small pulley attached in the block with negligible mass and frictions. This is the small pulley. One observation here, it is 4, it is 3, so definitely it will be 5. Okay, so we have to calculate the value tension T in the curve and accelerations. Okay, system is released from the rest. So what do you think? Which directions? this should move. Maybe this is B, so it's MB. This is A, MA. So B should move in which directions? If it is X, if it is Y, X means positive X, positive Y. So which direction it should move?
B downwards, sir.
B downwards. If B moves downwards, then your for A will move which directions?
Towards
Left.
left.
Towards left. Very good. So and then it is following some constant equations. Good observations you have noticed. So we'll utilize that. Just give me 1 minute. So for this problem, if I draw a free body diagram of block A, then this is the core tensions. It is like this. Okay, let it be vertical. Let it be in the vertical directions. Okay. Now, in these vertical directions, it will be 30 multiplied by 9.81 Newton. Is not it? If it is T, if it is T, then this chord here also, it is T. Is not it? This is A. So, there will be some reaction force here. So, it is NA. Then friction will act which directions?
Right.
So, it is mu K or mu S.
Mu S.
Static or dynamics problem? It is
Okay, sir.
moving. Mu K. So, I am writing here FK. Okay. So, this FK equal to mu K multiplied by NA. As you told, it is having accelerations in these directions. AA. If it is so, then as per the D'Alembert's principle, reverse force will be MA AA. So it is self weight T, reaction force and friction force and inertia. FBD of block A. Now come back here. FBD of block B. Maybe I'll draw here. B. Okay. So for B, 15 multiplied by 9.81 Newton. Here it is T. Which direction it will move? Top, up or bottom?
Down.
Downwards.
Down.
Bottom.
No, downward, downward. Okay. A moving left, it is downward. It is A, B. Then inertia will be MB, A, B. Okay. FBD of block B. Now another important thing is here. What is this? If I consider this triangle, this is B, say it is height is B, this is say X, and this is L. Then it is following this expression. L is varying, X is also varying. B is constant. L square equal to B square plus X square. B is constant. Okay. Then if I do the derivative, that L square, correct? It is 2L L dot equal to 0 plus 2x x dot. 2 will be, it is 0, this will cancelled out. Or L dot equal to x x dot. Do one second derivative. Then respect to time, L will be L dot, then L dot square plus L double dot equal to x dot square plus x x double dot. Okay. Now it has started from rest. Okay. It has started from rest. So it was released from rest. And it is, if it start from rest, then L dot or L double dot, which one will be 0? If it has started from rest system, then which one will be 0? L dot or L double dot? Velocity or acceleration will be 0?
Velocity, sir.
Velocity. Yes, yes. That is 0. That is 0. That means L double dot equal to x double dot. Yeah. That means L double dot equal to x by L x double dot. Now, very carefully if you observe, basically in this one, which one I have not drawn, just for your understanding I am drawing this. If this is the pulley, okay, then basically if it is L double dot, then here also it is L double dot. Agreed or not? Pulley length. If that is L double dot, other one from the pulley, upper portion and lower portion, acceleration will be same, is not it?
Yes, sir.
That also you have observed. Now we can consider sign positive or negative. So AB, here this AB, it is increasing or decreasing? AB, accelerations, due to accelerations, length is increasing. Or, so AB we can consider positive.
Yes, sir.
If we see different way, we can consider that increasing is it is positive, or if it is y is these directions, okay, then it is moving reverse directions, then it is negative. So only we have to tell finally as upward directions or lower directions. That is also fine. It is moving down. Maybe due to the y, I can consider it is negative. Then AB will be, what is the acceleration will be L double dot, is not it? AB is L double dot. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we got up to this is fine. Now we will utilize this 4 by 5 that concept. What is AA x double dot? Plus or minus? AA is x double dot. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Now, from this careful observation, you can have this 5 is related to AL, L dot L double dot 5, and 4 is related to x double dot. 5 is related to L double dot, 4 is related to x double dot. That means I mean to say that this A A A by A B equal to ratio wise we can write x by L ratio wise equal to 4 by 5.
Right.
That constant expression will be valid here. Okay. Now with this we can write that A equal to 4 by 5 A B. Here it is been given that acceleration A of the 30 kg block. Acceleration of the 30 kg block. So this one 30 kg block, it is that acceleration equal to A, that is 30 kg block. So what we got, which one is higher? 1 minute. Here it is x by L. So whether I did any mistake, let me check. This is x. I did one mistake. Yeah, here this one, this is the mistake. This one basically L double dot equal to, why it is mistake I'll tell you, because same time one is moving more, one is moving less. That way if you write this one L double dot, L is B, correct? L double dot is AB and this is AA. Oh, AB and no, it's fine then. AB, this is B, L is B. It was 4 by 5. Then it's fine. I have written reverse. AA equal to, no. See? Huh. Now I understood. L double dot, this relationship we got. Now this x by L was 4 by 5. Then it will be reverse. That relationship we got, from where we got? From the constant expressions, this one. So here relationship is L double dot equal to x by L, x double dot. AB by AA, A equal to 4 by 5. Okay, that relationship we got. Now we will utilize that free body diagram. So to get that, As I told that summation fy equal to 0, I have to tell which part. Maybe we come here for this one, upper wala. Summation fy equal to 0 will give for part A or body A will give NA. Okay. Now question is three. So here, if I consider anybody, this is a this angle. Anywhere we can write this way also. Always it will be this will be 3, this will be 5, this will be 4. So NA, this one minus T, NA minus T plus T multiplied by this component. This component will be, if it is, let me check once again, if it is this one basically, this is 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, then this component
3/5.
3 by 5, 3 by 5 minus 30 multiplied by 9.81. There is no acceleration in that direction, so that equal to 0. So you can get some expression NA equal to 0.4 T plus 294.3. It could be little bit deviations, don't worry. And summation fx equal to 0 will give, fx equal to 0 will give MA, MA is 30, correct? 30 multiplied by AA, x directions, plus FK. FK means NA multiplied by coefficient of friction 0.25. Okay. NA 0.25 minus T multiplied by 4 by 5. Is not it? Equal to 0. If I am not wrong. Oh, in x directions, correct?
Yes,
I,
acceleration is not 0.
which one?
Acceleration is not 0 in acceleration.
No, that is 0. I have already considered this.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, anything, whether you use dynamic equilibrium, then this left side, normal one is right side. This one is due to accelerations, one is Fk, other is T component. That's all. This equal to 0. Now for B, A is done. For B, for this one, B, summation Fy equal to 0, because it's only movement, okay? That will give, this is the MB I have written, correct? Okay. So Fy equal to 0 will be, it is moving downward directions. This direction plus T minus 15 multiplied by 9.81. Anything I missed? No, correct? That equal to 0. This is one self weight, this is T, and this is the acceleration. Nothing else. That's all. There is there anything For B, no, correct?
No,
Only
no, sir.
cell, no. So now, if you solve this carefully, then you will get T value. And also you have to utilize the expressions, this relationship. Acceleration of these two ratio is 4 by 5. Then T will be getting 138 Newton, and A, this A basically is A of 30 kg block, this one, 30 kg, this one, AA, that value will be 0.766 meter per second square. Movement is along left directions. That information is fine, is enough for me. So if I ask this question in the exam, what you have to do, you have to be very careful of the constant equation. That is L square equal to B square plus X square. Do one derivative, second type derivative, and you will get some relationship that L double dot equal to X by L X double dot. So L double dot by X double dot, that is L double dot is B, A B, and X double dot A equal to 4 by 5. Now this AB equal to minus L double dot, because as per the XYZ that is concerned, it is minus we have taken, and A will be minus X dot, reverse directions. And you draw feasibility diagram for A, part A and part B, and intermediate also I have shown somewhere. If I have, yes, intermediate is this to understand that basically this L double dot is the accelerations for B. Correct feasibility diagrams in for A, it is two direction movement X and Y. So summation Fx 0, summation Fy 0, and for B summation Fy 0, part B FBD, using D'Alembert principle equal to 0, dynamic equilibrium. Or maybe you can write that acceleration part right side. That is also okay for me. Then once you will solve this, you will get tension of the cord 138 Newton and accelerations A, that is the acceleration of 30 kg block, that is AA equal to 0.766 meter per second square. You try this and try to get this answer correctly. This answer you supposed to get. Okay. Any doubt for this problem?
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
No, sir.
Any other problem? Yeah. Any other problems? So 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. So dynamics, you don't have any doubt. Okay, it's fine.
Sir, in class test paper, one.
Class test paper we want to discuss, correct?
Yes.
Yes, I will do that. So I can close this. Okay. Now for statics, do you have any doubt, any problem? I will come to the class test paper. It's okay for your static problems. Do you want to discuss anything?
Sir, I have something in the static,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes,
Sir,
yes.
problem sheet 6.2, sir. Question number 5, sir. Sir, H,
Yes,
yes, sir.
this problem, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. I should note down 6 by 3, question number 5. Just a minute. So this is the H beam, looks like shape of the capital H. sections, determine the planes with B that will make the moment of inertia about x-axis and about y-axis are same. Where this is the x-axis, okay, this is the y-axis. Okay, now to solve this, this is 6.3, na? 6.2. Okay. 6.2, problem 5. So what we can do, given the dimensions, you can check it. 10 mm, 10 mm. This is 100 mm. That means this distance is 80 mm. Yes. So if I consider two part, one is this portions. Say this portion is 1, and both these are symmetric. Let it be 2 and 2. Okay. Now for part 1, what is Ixx? That is 1 by 12 multiplied by base 80 multiplied by height cube. Okay. 10 cube millimeter power 4. Iyy 1 by 12 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 80 cube millimeter power 4. That is straightforward for 1. For 2, Ixx equal to 2 times base 1 by 12 multiplied. See, I am right. I am doing with respect to this. With respect to this. Okay. So 1 by 12 here. Ixx 1 by 12 base 10 multiplied by b cube millimeter per 4. So b in millimeter we have assumed. So Iyy equal to 2 times xs we got yy, correct? For yy we will do with respect to centroid. 1 by 12 multiplied by base b multiplied by 10 cube plus area 10 multiplied by b multiplied by distance square. This is 10 by 2 here, 10 by 2 plus 80 by 2. But somebody can write this also, that 100 by 2 is it total 50 minus 10 by 2. 45, correct? Here also 45. So that is the expression. Now, given the total Ixx equal to Iyy. Total. So if you add this plus this and this plus this, you can equate, then you will be getting some expression of 0.00667 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 plus 1.667 b cube equal to 0.427 plus 0.0407. It may be differ little bit due to how many digits you want to consider. So it will be some sort of b cube minus 0.0244 into 10 to the power minus, sorry, plus 6 b minus 0.252 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 equal to 0. It's cubic expressions of b. So it is like x cube minus I should not write x, already b it is correct. So a b cube, sorry. So m, or maybe I simply I'll write here a x cube minus b x minus c equal to 0. This type of expression where a equal to x equal to basically b and b equal to some value here. Now to solve this type of problems, cubic formula, three roots. Okay. Uh, if you solve correctly, then you will get b1 and b2 value, and from that you can get b1. Actually, b1, b2, and b3, three value you can get, and b1 will be uh, b1 will be 1.6, sorry, 161.1 millimeter. b2 will be, I think, some negative value. This also will be some negative value. This will be some negative value. So, but b cannot be negative value, so it will be 161. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir. But how to solve, sir, the cubic equation?
Okay, okay. One thing is somebody can use that formula for to solve from the calculator. You can solve the cubic formula directly. Three roots. That way you have to solve. That is a little bit tricky, not straightforward. Okay. So many times when we give this type of problems, we used to adjust this value of 100 mm and 10 mm such that b will be very fine number. That means you can easily calculate the value of b. That way we used to change this value 100 and 10 mm. Got my point?
Okay, sir. Get it.
Yeah, that will be easier way. Otherwise, within 20 minutes or 15 minutes, you will not able to solve this. You will be in a loop to solve. Okay. Okay. Any other problem do you want or you want to highlight here? Okay, fine.
So problem sheet 5.3.
Which problem?
So question number 2 of 5.3.
Just a minute.
So this one.
This one,
Yes, sir.
there is a steel die shown in the section has the form of solid generated by revolving the shaded area. Okay. Actually, if you take this one, only these portions, and it has been here it is steel rho is missing, density 7.8, okay, gram per cc you can consider, that is missing basically to calculate mass. So if you have this area and you want to revolve this shaded area, to get this shaded area, this has to revolve by 180 degree pi, then you will get this shaded area. Only pi is enough, not 2 pi, then you will get complete one. Okay, so you have to calculate the mass of the problems. So to solve this, what we will do, we'll use the expression of using Papa's theorem. So what we can do, we can consider two things. One is, say we have solid one, this I'm roughly drawing this. Okay, other one is this hollow one. This is a solid and this is a hollow one. To calculate location of the centroid, maybe centroid is here. Okay, maybe here. So this is a r bar. Okay, So now section is 1, section 2. So for section 1, A1 area, this is the axis with respect to it will revolve. Okay, that is also 60 mm. So A1 will be 60 plus, sorry, I can write R1 basically here, R or maybe X1, simple for one case. Case 1, X1 for this one, okay. 60 plus 100 by 2. 60 plus 50, 110 mm. Here it is from this to this it is X1 and this to this it is X2. What is X2 value? 60 plus 4R by 3 pi, okay. What is R? R is 60 equal to say 85.46 mm. Now centroid locations x bar or xc, that is a1 x1 minus a2 x2 by e1 minus a2, because here x1 is positive, x2 is positive, e1 is positive, a2 is negative. Okay, so if you put this value you'll get, let me directly write 119.67 millimeter. Now volume will be generated as per the Pappus theorem, theta xc a. What is theta here? Okay, now this is the questions. Steel die shown in sections has the form of a solid generated by revolving the shaded area around the z axis. Okay, now one important thing is it is showing here hash line. Hash line is the cross sections. Okay, this hash line represent the cross sections. So if I use only this one, then it will be 2 pi. If I use this and this both area, then it is pi. Hash is the cross section. It is showing the cross sections. Hashed line, cross sections. That indicates it is entirely, it is the cross section means it is full 360-degree case. So theta, this is in radian, correct? So 2 pi multiplied by 119.67. What is A? A equal to A1 minus A2. Okay, multiplied by A1 minus A2. Calculate, you will be getting some value millimeter per 4. Now mass will be this mass which is been asked. Let me check. Steel die area we got. We have to calculate the mass. Okay. So density rho m by v, hence mass equal to rho v kg per, so it is kg per millimeter cube. If it is kg per millimeter cube rho, then volume is, sorry, here it is volume, correct, millimeter cube, then it will be kg mass. Fine. So if I use that way, then you use 7800 or somebody can 7830 gram per cc. That is also, you can assume as per your own understanding. Say if I use this multiplied by volume, then you will get that mass of kg, and it is 84.458 kg. Answer may differ due to the how much how many digit you are being considering. 2 digit or 3 digit result may vary little bit. Is it okay this problem now? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Yeah, yeah. Any other problem? Okay. Then I can close this. Now tell me, you ask somebody is asking which class test problem? Which class test?
Sir, dynamics, kinematics.
Oh, dynamics. Huh? What do you want? Just a minute. Let me
Sir,
open
the
that.
one question.
Yeah, yeah. Let me open that. Just a minute. Dynamics. One class test I have taken. Okay, attendance is remaining. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me open. Find out the dynamic questions. Okay. I think. Yeah, this one. Now tell me. Yes. Which problem? Tell me.
Sir, third problem, sir, I have solved, but I don't know the answer to verify.
No, third problem, what is been told? A is equal to this. Okay. So it is very simple. So omega equal to square root g by L. So A is equal to Sm cosine omega t. That is the simple problem given. So if you do the first derivative, second derivative, that's all. Then At, finally you will get At equal to At will be S double dot. An will be b square by rho or h dot square by rho. That's all. Rho is L. Okay, tell me your answer. Whatever what you got.
Sir, maximum velocity is Sm under root g by L.
Maximum. Just a minute. No. Okay. Even if I write everything here, let me write here. A is equal to Sm cosine square root g by L t. So I can distinguish like this also for your understanding. This is the usual expressions. So V equal to H dot that equal to minus square root G by L Sm sine square root G by L T, and At equal to V dot equal to minus G by L square root, once again square root G by L Sm cosine square root G by L, sorry, T. Now what is I told V max? V max equal to minus square root. Okay, I can write this way also. Sm multiplied by square root G by L, that is V max. At max equal to minus Sm multiplied by G by L. An equal to V square by rho, rho equal to L. That means Sm square multiplied by G square roots, then square only, then multiplied by sine square root G by LT, G by LT. Now An max equal to A7 square, sorry, yes, divided by Rho means L. I missed. So G by L square. That's all. This is one answer. This is one answer. Somewhere this is one answer. Okay.
Sir, in
Any?
the
Yeah.
AN, the value of v squared by rho, and there will be another component of g cos theta towards away from the center.
Which one? Tell me.
As the pendulum has mass
Ah.
in normal acceleration,
Okay. You
one
mean to say?
component is towards center v squared by rho, and g cos theta will be away
Okay.
from
You,
center.
okay. You mean to say if you want to consider its self weight also, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what do you want when you have this expression? So if you have S expression, then you V dot. Which one you want to change here? Correct? This one.
Yes, sir.
No, but En is always will be V square by rho.
So with respect to the bob, it will be g cos theta will be away from the point of hanging the way it is hanged.
I'm not getting. You mean to say, see, it is having some self weight, correct? It is having some self weight. So as you told, say some mass. So if it is pendular, okay. Now what you are telling that you want to add mass where?
So at the maximum displacement, FBT can be drawn.
Maximum displacement, maximum displacement, you want to draw the FBD. That means you want like this mg
Yes, sir.
t, correct?
Yes, sir.
And it is having some rotation like this t mg. Then here if it rotates like this, it is t, what will feel, t is, t will be, due to this movement, t will be higher. So you mean to say ma, that way you want to write n, that way you want to write.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you write that way, what you are getting there?
AN will be v square by L minus g cos theta, and we can
Then
calculate the theta max. From there, we can calculate AN max.
from where you will get theta max?
So SM can be L theta max.
Sm can be L theta max. Sm can be this Sm equal to L. No, no, that is valid only when theta is very small. S equal to R theta will not be valid because just a minute. This is S equal to R theta will not be valid. Just a minute. Hello, just a minute. S equal to R theta, that is not valid when theta is higher value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will check it. I have not checked any answer. Any other questions do you have?
Sir, question number 1, sir.
Yeah, yeah. One. This one. A particle that is started from origin. Okay. One particle started with origin with initial velocity 6 meter per second. So V0 6 meter per second and moves along a straight line. The acceleration in meter per second square of the particle at any distant instant t is given by a equal to m minus nt. m nr constant. Determine the equation of displacement. S, we have to calculate a expression. S expression. If the particle travels t equal to 5 second, S equal to 30 meter, before it stop, then V equal to 0. So to solve this problem, I will utilize dV by dt equal to m minus nt. So velocity equal to mt minus n by 2 t square plus some constant c1. Now t equal to 0, v0 equal to 6 meter per second. So c1 equal to 6 meter per second. We got this. Then v equal to 6 plus mt minus n by 2 t square. That is ds dt. Hence s equal to 60 plus m by 2 t square minus n by 6 t cube plus c2. When t equal to 0, s equal to 0, started from origin. So c2 equal to 0. So what we got, s equal to 60 plus m t square by 2 minus n t cube by 6. Now it is told when t equal to 5 second, s equal to 30 meter. Hence 30 equal to 6 multiplied by 5 plus m by 2 multiplied by 5 square minus n by 6 multiplied by 5 cube. This will be cancelled out. Here this will be cancelled out. So finally we will get this will be so 10 by 6, m equal to 10 by 6, n equal to 6 by 10, n equal to 0.6 m. That relationship we got. Now when t equal to 5 second, velocity will be 0 from the beginning. So 0 will be velocity here. 6 plus 5 times m minus 5 by 2 n. Sorry, t square, correct? 5 square by 2 n, or 5m minus 12.25 by 2, 12.5 n plus 6 equal to 0, or 5m minus 12.5 multiplied by 0.6 m plus 6 equal to 0, or 5m minus 6, 5s are 33, 75, 7.5. 7.5 m equal plus 6 equal to 0. So m equal to minus 2.4, n equal to 0.4 multiplied by this minus 1.44. Hence s equal to 60 minus m by 2. M is 2 minus 2.4. So this minus 1.2 t square minus, here it is n t cube by 6. N is once again minus 1.44, minus minus plus 1.44 by 6. 6 means 0 point. So this by 6 basically. So 2, 12, 4 t cube. This is the expression in meter. S will be in meter, T is in second. Have you got this?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, okay.
Slowly.
There could be, actually this question is very tricky. One point to another point. Sometimes no time may be one issue that you can stop. You can start somewhere. But if
Yes,
somebody
sir.
is
I was stuck taking
mm,
the
mm,
limits like
mm,
that.
mm, mm,
Like
mm,
I was taking the lower limit, but not getting the upper limit like that.
because it is told no that that particle travels a distance 30 meter in 5 seconds before it stops. Final velocity was also zero. Okay, any other problem we can discuss? Then I have to take attendance. Okay, guys, fine. Let me take the attendance.
Sir, can you discuss once the question pattern,
Yes,
how it
yes,
will be from?
yes, yes. After the attendance, okay. Let me take the attendance. Okay, aerospace roll 25.
Present, sir.
Okay, 26, 27, 28 present, 29 absent. Just a minute. 25 aerospace 25, 26, 27, 28. 25, 26, 27, 28. Just a minute. Some issues. Present 29 is absent. Okay. 30 is absent. Civil 77 is present. 78 absent. 79 present. 80 present. 81 absent. 82 present. 83 absent. 84 present. 85 present. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90 present. Just a minute. Then 91 absent, 92, 93 absent, 94 absent, 95 absent. Then CST 58 absent, 59 absent, 60 absent, 61 present, 62 present, 63 absent, 64 absent, 65 present. 66 present, 67 present, 68 absent, 68 absent, yeah, 69 present, 70 present, electrical 49, 50 present, 51 absent, 52 absent, 53. Don't leave, okay? Just wait. Then I am getting a disturbance in taking your roll number. 50. Okay, just a minute. I electrical 50 present, 51 absent, 52 absent, 53 present, 54 absent, 55 present, 56 present, 57 present, 58 present, 59 present. Now electronics 35 present, electronics 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 present. 41 absent, 42 present. Then IT 53, 54, 53 present, 54 absent, 55 present, 56 present, 57 present, 57 present. Then 58 absent, 59 present, 59, no, 50 IT, 50, just a minute. IT 57 present, we did a 57, 58 absent, 59 absent, 60 absent, 61 present, 62 absent, 63 present, 64 present, then mechanical 50 present, 51 absent, 52, 53, 54, 55 present, 56 present, 57 7 present, 58 present, 59 present, 60 is absent. Then metallurgy 25 present, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 present, 30 absent. Then mining 25 present, 26 absent, 27 absent, 28 present, 29 present, 30 present. Okay, once again, those who are absent, aerospace 29, 30. Then civil 81, civil 81, civil 83.
Civil 83 present, sir.
Okay, civil 83 present. Yeah.
Sir, civil 80 is also present.
Civil, just a minute. Civil 81 absent. Okay. So civil 81 absent. Then civil 91 absent. Then 94, 95 absent. CST 58, 59, 60 absent. CST 64 absent. CST 68 absent.
CXT 68.
CST 68 present, correct? 68 present. CST?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, Ranjan, fine. Then electrical 51
Sir, electrical
absent,
51%, sir.
present, okay. 52 absent, 54 absent. Then IT 54 absent. IT 58 absent, 59 absent, 60 absent, 62 absent.
Sir, 62
Then
present.
62 present, okay. Then mechanical 51 absent. Mechanical 60 absent. Then mining 26 absent, 27 absent. That's all. Okay. So attendance is over.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is today the last day of class?
Yes.
Sir, actually, the previous day you told me to remind you that, sir, you told that I'll get some more marks because of that day, that test. Anubhav.
Which?
You told
Okay.
because
Okay. 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 Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no.
Same for me.
Okay. So I will tell you. I have marked the name like for aerospace 27. Okay.
yes, sir.
27. Then yeah, electronics 42. IT 57. Then mechanical 54. Mechanical 59. Okay.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
sir, IT 57 that I told you that that day test in the midsem, that photo I forgot to send, and you told that you'll give me some like more marks later in the end sem and all.
No, actually, yeah, I have noted down that you missed one page in the
Yes, sir.
midterm.
Yes.
That's why you
Yes,
got some value. I think some
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
fiction you missed it or
Yes, sir.
something.
Yes, I have the thing also like
Okay,
now.
okay, fine.
Sir,
Okay,
okay.
now we yeah, I have noted down.
So
Now
I'll approach you later then, right? Like,
not
okay.
required. Okay,
Okay, thank you,
I have
sir.
already noted down. Now regarding the question pattern. Okay, let me check it. So I have to note down. Don't write anything. Okay. So let it see regarding the I can write here NSEM. Okay.
Sir, did you mark my attendance? I'm facing network issue today.
Oh, your name once again.
Sir, CSB 064, Riddhiraj Dev.
Okay. It is absent. I am giving now. Okay.
Okay,
Didhiras.
sir.
CST 64.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Given. Given. Okay. Now come back here. So in end same. See what is the plan that you are coming back to the institute. Everybody got that your hostel.
Sir, actually, decision is still being taken on. There are meetings and all held. So
Okay.
actually, we still don't know what will happen.
Okay. Then two possibility I can discuss. Online exam. Okay. Another is offline. It may not be other than these two, correct? Either will be
Yes.
online
Yes,
or
sir.
offline. I don't know because I have also have the similar confusions. So for online exam, it will be 1 hour 45 minutes durations. Here it is, hopefully 3 hours. We didn't get anything till now, but hopefully it will be 3 hours. Now, question will be static part A.
Sir, are you
Yeah,
writing something?
sorry. I should share the screen. Thank you. Okay, so are you able to see this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In same, either it will be online or it will be offline. For online exam, it is 1 hour 45 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour, yeah, or 1 hour 30 minutes, anything. Maybe 1 hour 30 minutes. I don't know, here it is showing 40. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes, and it is 3 hours. So it will be online static part A. Here also it will be static part A. 20 marks. Okay, here full marks 50. Whatever the way it will go. Okay, 20 marks. Here also 20 marks. 10 multiplied by 2. Here also 10 multiplied by 2. Basically, this will be hopefully 2 by 3. Out of question 1, 2, 3, one question will be, so two question you have to answer. Any two static answer any two out of three questions. Okay, question 1, question 2, question 3. Out of this three, one question will be from moment of inertia. Is it okay? Understood this point? One question will be
Yes, sir.
from moment of inertia. Next, question 4, 5, 6. Let me check. 6, 7, 8, or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any 4 out of 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6. Hopefully. Here also any 4 out of 6. Or maybe 4 by 5. We are not decided yet. 4 by 5. Any 4 out of 5. Not decided yet. Anything. So 4 multiplied by 7. 28. 20 plus 28. 48. Plus 2 for neatness. Don't submit blank answer script to get these 2 marks. Okay. I'll not give that 2 marks if it is blank. Enter blank. Okay. Answer script. So roughly it says that your end sum will be either online or offline. We have decided there will be, oh, I missed two things. Part A I have told, no? Here it is part B, dynamics. I missed it. Sorry. So we have two part. One is static, part A. Other is dynamics, part B. Here 20 marks. In dynamics 28 marks. 2 by 10 question size are more 20. 4 multiplied by 7 equal to 28. 2 marks is kept for the neatness. Okay. Now here it is definitely 3 by, you answered any 2 by 3, that is confirmed. Here it is either 4 by 6 or 4 by 5. Now question is, if it is online, then you have to answer for 90 minutes. Here it is 180 minutes. So what I have decided, if it is finally meet online, then questions will be little bit having smaller size. It will take less time. But when it is online, sorry, offline, so questions will be lengthy. Lengthy questions. Then whether all questions will be lengthy? No. So it is my duty that when exam is offline, that question paper should consume at least 2 hours 15 minutes or 135 minutes. Sorry. Okay. So offline questions supposed to consume at least 135 minutes who those students want to answer all questions. But for midterm, I have to make sure that all questions you will be able to answer by say 80 to 85 minutes. So that's why I am not able to freeze the questions till now due to the time issues. If both are the same time, then I could do both are say it is 90 minutes only, either online or offline. Then questions supposed to be same questions. But as we have some confusions, honestly speaking, I don't have any clear-cut view whether it is online or offline, because I have some of the students, they are in contract, they are struggling to get the accommodations. So somebody is from
Hello,
200,
sir. What will be the full marks, sir, for the exam? 50 or 70?
50. I will tell you, it is 30 midterm. This is end sem, and this 20 marks is with me. This is I internal assessment. Sorry, this is midterm. MID mid TRM. This is end sem. This is IA internal assessment. Total 100. Credit 4. Okay. Understood now? Midterm 30, that is over. End sem 50, and internal assessment is 20. Now, as you told, maybe you have seen that question paper was 70. Is not it? Even if it is
Yes,
question
sir.
paper,
Actually, before, sir, 2019, it was question paper of full mark 70, but after 2019, it was question paper 50 marks, sir. Final.
I will give you the answer. Initially, it was understood. Old regulations, what you are talking about, that was midterm 15, internal assessment 15, and end sem 70. Total 100. Old regulations. Okay. For those students, that enrollment number starts with 511 something. But for you case like 2020 EE, that way. So this is the This is the old regulations, and this is the new regulations. New regulations, it has been decided that let it be 100 marks can be distributed into 3, like 30 plus 50 plus 20. Initially it was 15 plus 70 plus 15, total 100. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So I can close this. Okay, so we have started this class, this subject a long time back. I think whenever we got, as per the schedule, I got that schedule for this class, and hopefully I have not taken any leave or anything. Okay, I can assure that I have 100% attendance. The same what I told at the beginning. So whenever some class has been assigned, if I am not severe ill, like hospitalized or so, then I supposed to take all the classes. And see, response I got in the exams, everything. This is mixed feeling. Like some students are doing very well, some students are not. Some students are having some issues with the language, maybe some other different language other than English. Sometimes the students' feedback says that main issue in mid semester was due time issue. 45 minutes, 3 questions, not so easy. And maybe these terms, many terms you know a 10 plus 2 standard, but here these questions are very tricky, and sometimes it is taking more time. We have solved only 70 plus 44 problems. So 70 plus 44 means, or maybe 40, 110. 110 problems was our target for this syllabus. But you see, this 100 problems itself is making our life not so easy. So many times we are getting some, you are getting some difficulties to solve. That is expected. And anyway, this is a good time for me also to spend or to invest some time, some to share some knowledge with you. And uh, many times I feel that I think this student teacher relationship, this bonding will still remaining, whether I will teach you in near future or not. And exam is very near, and I wish you every success of these subjects, and good luck, best of luck all of you. God bless you. Okay, bye. Bye
Thank
bye.
you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you,
bye.
sir.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you, sir. Bye,
Bye bye
sir.
bye. Bye.